We are here at the Lorton Community Center to promote therapeutic recreation camps. We serve individuals with disabilities ages 5 years old who have completed kindergarten through ages 22 years old who have not yet completed high school. We also have a variety of camps, including Camp Fairfax, which is for grades K through 6. We have our Teens in Action camp. We have sports camps, as well as a variety of other camps and ways for youth to engage with us this summer.
Yeah, I enjoy working with the Teens in Action. Yeah, they help me keep me on my toes, working with this crew over here.
We're looking to incentivize people to come work for us this summer, so we're really excited to announce that we're offering up to $1,000 in bonuses if you come work for us this summer. We're eager to have people come and be a part of the NCS team, so really there's no reason to not come work with us.
Teamwork skills, leadership skills, like I said, setting up programs, being organized, and also helping younger people, that were your age, guiding them in the right path.
The benefits of working with us is that you learn and grow your interpersonal skills as well as your customer service skills. It offers the opportunity to really connect and engage in meaningful work and be an impact in youth lives. And it offers the opportunity to network with other county professionals. There's no reason to not spend the summer with us. If you're interested in learning more information, you can go to the Fairfax County government website and search NCS jobs to learn more about employment opportunities, or search NCS camps to learn more about our camp opportunities. We're really excited for you to come work with us this summer.